Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see linked account on Steam. So let's get started. For that, first of all, open the Steam application in your PC and then log into your account. Once logged in, you need to go and simply tap on this Help drop-down, then tap on Steam Support. When the Steam Support loads, scroll down and then simply click on Steam Client. Scroll down again and simply select any option you're comfortable with. This is just to continue into the support system. Now after selecting the option, you will be able to find an option that says Contact Steam Support. Tap onto it and here you will need to type in a message asking for your linked account information. You can write something like this. Dear Steam Support, I require information about which platform my current Steam account is linked to. I've been trying to connect my Steam account to certain services, but it says the account is already linked. So please provide the details on the linked platform and disregard. You can even attach the file if you want to. After that, simply tap on Send. Steam Support will review your request and then provide the information about which account and platform your Steam account is linked to. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.